feel like a bad mom sometimes.
Don't feel like a bad mom.
With having 2 dogs. Because Nala was so spoiled.
So is Lily.
I still pay more attention to her.
Who?
Nala.
Nala. Well, yeah, she's your first. I don't know if it's like that with kids, but I posted these pictures on Facebook of these dogs that I might want to do adopt one. I'd want to get an older one. Yeah, like a 3 or 4-year-old, but I don't know.
He's so fun. He's a good player with other dogs.
So she just loves to play, and he's so cute.
When Nala plays, it's all like wrestling, like biting and...
Lily does that too with the bigger dogs.
Yeah.
Because this is just what he does because he's little. They're just spinning in circles.
He gets so mad when he can't catch them.
Yeah, because he's not fast enough yet, and he's still all clumsy.
Well, he just waits. Oh, what happened, baby?
Will's so big, but... Oh, I love his coloring.